Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and practical DIY project, a laser security system. This is a simple yet effective tripwire alarm that you can build yourself using just a few common components. It's a great project for anyone interested in electronics or home security. And it's surprisingly easy to set up. So, what do you need? First, you'll need a laser pointer. Any standard laser pointer will do, preferably one that emits a visible beam. Then, you'll need a light-dependent resistor, or LDR. This is a component whose resistance changes based on the amount of light it receives. Next, you'll need a buzzer or a small speaker to act as your alarm. Finally, you'll need some basic electronic components like a breadboard, jumper wires, a resistor, and a 5-volt power source, like a USB charger or a battery. Let's start by setting up the circuit. The LDR will be the heart of our system. Connect one leg of the LDR to a resistor. The value of the resistor is important. 10 k ohms is a good starting point. Connect the other leg of the resistor to the positive side of your power supply. The other leg of the LDR goes to the negative side. This completes the circuit. Next, you need to connect the buzzer to this circuit. Connect the buzzer to the LDR. When the laser beam hits the LDR, the resistance of the LDR changes, and the current flows through the circuit. This is what activates your buzzer. Now, for the setup, choose a location for your security system. A dark hallway works perfectly for dramatic effect. Place the laser pointer on one side of the hallway and the LDR on the other. Adjust the laser pointer so that the beam shines directly onto the LDR. Ensure the LDR is positioned so that the laser beam hits it directly. With everything set up, let's test our system. When the laser beam is uninterrupted, the circuit is complete, and the alarm should be silent. Now, break the laser beam by, for example, walking through it. The LDR will no longer receive the laser light. The resistance of the LDR will change, and the circuit will be broken. Your buzzer should sound, indicating an intrusion. This simple system can be used in various ways. You can use it to protect a doorway, a hallway, or even a specific object. You can expand on this basic system by adding features, such as a microcontroller to log when the alarm is triggered, or even a camera to record what triggered the alarm. You could even integrate it with your smart home system. Remember to be careful when working with lasers. Never shine the laser directly into anyone's eyes. It's also important to use a low-power laser pointer for safety. This DIY laser security system is a fun and affordable project that can add an extra layer of security to your home. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more DIY projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.